Ever wondered what your community manager goes through in the days leading up to a big meeting? Let me paint that picture for you. So imagine this. It's the night before the meeting, you're laying in bed, and a thought crosses your mind. Maybe I'll get a flat tire tomorrow. Not because you dislike your job, but because the idea of facing that meeting feels so overwhelming. But then you realize a flat tire isn't going to be a good enough excuse, so your mind just wanders further. What if I crash my car? Not seriously, of course, just a minor fender bender, enough to warrant missing the meeting without raising eyebrows. Sounds dramatic, right? But it's a testament to the anxiety that builds up before facing the board and the community. There's this fear of being unprepared, of stumbling over words, of being asked questions you may not have the answers to. The dread of public speaking, the worry about how you're going to be perceived. But here's the thing. After attending thousands of meetings over the past 25 years, I've learned something invaluable. People are generally kind-hearted. They want to see you succeed. They're not there to trip you up, but to work with you, to find solutions together. So if you're a board member, take a minute, text, call, or email your community manager with some words of encouragement and let them know that you're there for them. And to all the community managers out there feeling the pre-meeting jitters, take a deep breath. You're not alone, and you've got this.